I bought this Mustang in the dark and turns out it needs way more work than I expected.
I bought this to be a drift car, so let's go find out how well it drifts with the stock 4-cylinder. So I've been drifting my 8.6 for a few years now. But I want to start competing, and that's why I bought this car.
Warning, the following clip contains the worst attempt at drifting you have ever, or will ever see. Viewer discretion is advised.
As you can see, it needs a lot of work to be able to drift. I still want to be able to street drive this thing, so let's bring it back to the shop and see what it needs to be road legal.
When I started checking the car out more thoroughly, I realized that the strut tower was just starting to rust through, so I cut that out, welded in some new metal, and then I moved on to the brake system. Huh. That doesn't look right.
Okay, now that we're through the boring stuff and the car is road legal and no longer plated in Saskatchewan, we can move on to the fun stuff. Like this Ford 8.8 I just picked up, ready to be rebuilt. It's going to get dual calipers so we can run a hydraulic handbrake, and this 10-point roll cage so we can run bucket seats and harnesses. All the kind of stuff that we didn't have in the 8.6, and it'll make this car a much more competitive car. As far as the engine goes, I'm really leaning towards running an EcoBoost engine. They're pretty affordable right now. You can get cheap transmissions for them. You guys voted that you wanted to see a pushrod V8 in the car, so that is an option. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see. As you can tell, the car needs a lot more work to be competitive, but we've got a lot of parts collected already, so that means a lot more content for you guys. If you're excited to see more videos about this Mustang, make sure to like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next one.